Hey guys, how's it going? It's X666X Iron Maiden. Today, I'm going to be checking out more Nightwish, of course, with their song, Know Why the Nightingale Sings. Alright, so going back to Angels Fall First. It's been a while since we touched this album, eh? So, finally back to it today. Let's check it out. It's been a while since we listened to this style of Nightwish, eh? Like a while. Man. So back to that almost straight up rock roots that we saw every once in a while. It's been a while since we've seen because we've only been in some of the newer stuff. Not back to the beginning. That's a sweet note for the hit for that. And of course, it's always nice to hear a solo, because we don't always get them. Another solo, sweet. Nice. This song needed a solo. I'm glad there was one in there. It fit it perfectly. Just the way the song was going. Damn, man. Yeah, this is more one of those classic like metal tracks that they put out a few of, where it's like less symphonic, it's more like 80s rock that we've seen a couple of times throughout the well, I should say a few. It hasn't only been a few times. And I was hoping there's going to be that solo in there, because a song with that kind of like 80s sound feels like it needs a solo, you know what I mean? Like, it's not the typical Nightwish song with all the symphonic stuff going on, where I get like not throwing in a solo as often with Nightwish, just because their style doesn't always suit it, you know? There's so many things going on, you don't really need to throw in a solo. But this one felt like it was going to need it, or else, because, you know, it was pretty much the same thing on the drums all the way through. Kept basically that same groove all the way through. So throwing in a solo was a nice touch, and that's what I was waiting for, and it happened, and it was a really good one too. So that's what made this song for me, personally, was throwing in that solo. And then that is a decent Nightwish song. Probably one I probably wouldn't really listen to too much. It doesn't really stand out over a lot of other tracks. But nonetheless, still pretty decent track from Nightwish. So hopefully you guys enjoyed checking this one out with me. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, see more from me. And as always, you guys have a good one. I'll catch you later.